Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about rental strategies. When I started this past summer, my rental strategy was to get as much inventory out as I could possible. The chairs that I had were brown folding chairs, and they weren't the best quality. I had bought them for $5 a piece off a rental company, and so I had to make do with what I was doing to move those chairs. And I had plastic folding tables, 6 foot folding tables, which majority of them I had bought used off of Kijiji as well. So my strategy going into the summer was to do party packs. So I had cheap tents from Walmart, and I had these folding tables, and brown chairs. And so I made party packs up. So my party packs consisted of 2 tables, 16 chairs, 2 tents for $75, and people were eating it up. And the nice thing was they weren't stopping at $75. They were getting delivery on top of that, which was an additional $75. They were adding chairs for $1.50 a piece. They were adding tables. And so as this was going on through the weeks, I was able to add more inventory to my inventory. So that's what got me through the first summer. And here I am now in Christmas season. So bartending's a big thing, but I'm thinking about what my strategy is going to be for the next coming summer. So I've used some of the money that I gained from this summer to buy more wedding style items. So I bought 150 white fan back chairs. I bought a 20 by 30 tent, and I bought a big set of love letters. And I'm hopefully trying to get in with the wedding crowd. I'm going to continue to do party packs, but now I feel like I can advertise a little bit on the wedding sector. So I've got my foot in the door. That was my plan, and this is my mini plan going forward. I'm sure that I will be adjusting it as it goes. Also, I want to quit drinking energy drinks, as I spend, I don't know, like $7 a day on them. So if I quit those for 5 months, well, I might have enough money to buy another tent. So motivation, and yeah. So that's just a small video about what I've done, kind of what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make videos like crazy. All right, see ya. So all in all, party packs was my thing through the summer. And so they got my foot in the door, and I'm looking forward to better things, but I'm still going to be offering party packs next summer.